Welcome back to another video of renovating this apartment, and it's getting really close to being finished. As you saw in the past video, we built this counter and it is ready, it is dry, and it is ready for all the appliances, well, the two appliances to go on, the cooker and the sink. But before we do that, we have to do some more little things, such as adding a backsplash. We got this laminate, we got 5 or 6 pieces for €2 because they're broken leftover pieces and they can't sell them. So they have like a pile where you can get them for really cheap, €2 a square meter. I think we even paid less because it's not even a square meter. So plan is to put them like this. And then for the top, we're actually thinking to build some shelves and or make kind of like a cabinet on top. But we did get quite of a good deal on some cabinets, which you will see later on once we attach first this backsplash backdrop. So let's put this one on. I think this was also the most nicest and cheapest option. There was no nice backdrops in the hardware store we went, so this I think is gonna look pretty good and it's gonna match the cabinet. So let's somehow install this one and then get on and put up the cabinets.
This is really thick as well. This one I think is perfect except for that, but then we could put pointing down.
And by the way, Evie also had to come with us because she had to go to the vet because she's a bit of a snorkeler, as you can hear. She has a bit of a bronchitis, so we just got that checked out, and instead of bringing her back home, we brought her here. So she's kind of exploring.
She's working. She's certified inspector, so.
Yeah, she had to come for the last bit just to make sure everything is going by plan.
We have no plan, Evie.
There's no plan.
Oh.
Where are you going, Evie?
It's like off the ship, the run.
You got an expensive kind of food, Evie. Our backsplash is all assembled, and I'm kind of regretting cheaping out because that took way longer than expected to figure out how to hide the broken bits and pieces.
Yeah, we could have like bought it for €5 a square meter, proper pieces.
And save us probably half an hour of thinking. But anyways, it is what it is. We made it work from what we had, and that is pretty good. As you saw, we have drilled 15 holes. That sounds quite a lot for just a backsplash, and we're gonna try to nail it onto the wall because this wall is quite of a softie with cement screw nails.
They're nails.
They're nails.
They're nails that you can screw out after.
So let's try that out and see how that works. And the other problem is that after we had it assembled, we're thinking maybe we should have done wood glue in between, let it dry, and then come back to it and put it up, because now there's quite a bit of a risk of it all falling apart. So fingers crossed. it's gonna work. So let's put it up and hopefully it's gonna work quick, fast, and efficient. Okay.
Will you go under? Under? Is that right? Go.
Ah, my thumb. Ow.
Show me, all good? In. You gotta go down. You,
there
you're
you
marking?
Yeah.
It's really not meant to be lifted around, that's why. Yeah, it's like as soon as you're lifting it, just go and do it. Sorry, I am holding two pieces, one hand each. Let's hope the end result is worth it.
After a lot of messing around, it is on the wall, as you can see. It looks nice. I think it looks nice.
Definitely better than what it was.
Definitely better than what it was. Will it match everything together? We will see after, but was it worth it? I'm not sure. Like, it was a lot of work for like just what it is. Like, the amount of time it took us to do this, we laid floor in the living room. Like, honestly, it was a bit of a messing around, but I hope it looks nice. Let us know what you think. So let's now push the counter back in and get the two cabinets that will go on top. Okay.
How good is that?
Wow, that is perfect. Do you see it?
Oh yeah.
That is better than perfect.
Ready? Oh yeah, baby.
Yeah, perfect. Nice. So as you can see, we have attached the two cabinets and they might look a bit too high up. As well, for my preference, they might be a bit too tall, but we did Google and it did say that minimum is 40 to 50 centimeters for basic counter space, but 60 to 80 if you are putting them on top of a gas stove, which is the case here. So we could not, of course, put one a bit higher and the other one a bit lower. That would look stupid. So we went all of it 80 centimeters. No, what is that? 60 something centimeters. So we went the minimum, and anyways, it's not fully under the gas cooker. Plus, another thing we don't have is a steam, we call it steam sucker. It's not the name, but you know, I'll write it here, the proper name. So yeah, we don't have one of these ones yet. So in the future, either these ones can move to the other side of the wall, and here we can put something lower down. So it's always adjustable. Those were not too expensive. They were just 70 euros for both. So it was definitely worth for something nice. I think it ties it together really good. Ideally, I would like this counter. Original idea was to stain it dark brown, like the one that we have in the tiny house that we did the accents with, so it would match this one. So kind of, I don't like that we have 3 different tones of wood, but it's okay. It is what it is now. Decisions have been made, but I think overall, for the cost and the effort, it is looking much better than what it looked before. So now for the last thing to make this kitchen a kitchen, we need the sink and the cooker. So let's attach these ones and then put back the washing machine, and I think the kitchen will be done. It's bright. I think it's really nice for, yeah, look at that.
Cooking, much
for
nicer.
Cooking and working and seeing the mess.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
So as you can see, we are finished with the kitchen. It definitely looks a lot better than it was when we started, which was really terrible. The appliances that we installed, of course, need a good clean. This one here is of course temporary. He can upgrade that pretty easily to a new washing machine, but we'll see if that works. We're gonna actually plug it in and then he can get a new one, new used even. This was just sitting in the barn, that's why it got a bit destroyed with all kinds of things. And these ones need a good clean. The fridge needs a good clean, all these appliances. But I think we have done a good job. We also installed this vent to protect the hole. For me, I would like, of course, some doors, but we don't have time to make doors. So this is something he'll either have to add in the future, because you, of course, can add the doors right in front of these. But I think for now, it is a functional kitchen that you can use and move into, be able to live. Plus, it's also not super expensive to buy actual cabinets and change this in a few months to an actual countertop. They're not that expensive that you can't afford it. It's just currently the budget was so low, but in future, of course, as he's making more money, or he is just saving the money up for a renovation. But for now, it's functioning and it will serve its purpose. I think the backsplash was a really good one, but we should not have cheaped out and bought the same laminate, but good ones, because we do have the damage in some places that we just need to kind of go with the clear coat just to prevent it from going bad. But other than that, I think it looks good. The little light we added is a good one. I would have liked it both in two directions, but we are strict on budget. But it is nicely on a switch. We can use it. The cupboards are gonna give a lot of space. We have shelves below. There's gonna be endless space for someone that has nothing really to bring in. It's gonna be almost perfectly, you know, organizable, because there's not gonna be any clutter for now. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and we're gonna see you in the next one whenever we do, I guess, some other finishing touches like painting. But let's get on with the next things. Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye. I'm leaving to another room. I don't know what I talked about. Okay, bye.